I'm a design engineer. I'm doing the static equipment design or pressure vessel and heat exchanger.
Okay. And total, how many years of experience you have?
Almost 9 years experience.
9 years in static equipment.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Prakash Rao, this is it.
Yeah, Prakash Rajesh. You are also coming first
Good
time?
evening to all.
Yeah, good evening.
This is Prakash Rao.
Okay. You recently joined, no, group, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Yeah, Prakash Rao. Ramakrishna has introduced you, right? Right.
Yeah, correct. He's my colleague, ex-colleague.
Where he is? He is not joined it now today.
I think he also joined now.
Okay, okay. Okay, we'll start with Vignesh. Okay. Do you have any issues or anything you want to?
Actually, I want to ask one clarification regarding ASME audit renewal. So we have to validate our software calculation, PVLA software. So by using PTB4 solving problem, that one. The latest edition is 2021, I think.
Your issue is a semi calculation that to be audited, right?
Yes, yeah. Validated. I mean, we have a PVLA software, but we have to validate the software calculation. So by using PTB4, right, we just compare the calculation as per solving problem, sample solving problem, as well as our calculation.
So is it U stamp vessel in that one?
Yes, because we are going to renewal our use term soft certification.
Okay. Anybody want to answer his query?
Yeah, Vignesh, can you repeat what is the issue? Yeah, we understand you're going for a renewal of your use stamp shop.
Correct.
You want to present two versions of calculation. One is output from the PVLAT and one is you develop the manual calculation and you're going to show to the AI that
correct. Yes, exactly correct.
From the manual calculation, which is also output from the PVLAT, both are matching. So the software is validated. So that's what you want to do. I understand. But now what is the issue?
Yeah, issue means as per PTB4, there is lot of calculations are there. I mean, cell, conical cell, and head, tori head, ellipsoidal head, flat head, flanges, tube sheet. So we have to do all, or some we have to do some limited. I mean, that's why.
No, what is that? What is that? PPT4? What is that?
PTB4. It's a problem solving book, na. I mean,
okay. No, I mean, it's not like that actually. Generally, how it was done is, generally you will offer a sample vessel. I mean, actually, I mean, if you have any order, okay, maybe current order, how it will be done is you will pick one vessel, and generally AI prefers with the medium complexity, maybe have the forgings or things like that. You can select one vessel and you can present that. I think that
because yes, now our audit demo vessel is pressure vessel. With that only shell and bottom and top both are ellipsoidal head as well as nostril coming and nostril. Yes, these are the main parts only.
Okay.
So now we have to select the same as applicable. I mean, in the PTB4 book itself, shell is there and ellipsoidal head is there and nostril with the dish. Yeah, yes.
Yeah, or you can present a theoretical calculation also, no problem. I mean, it need not be an actual vessel. I mean, with agreement with the AI, so maybe you can present one more vessel along with that, and you can show. I mean, whatever to his satisfaction, you can present.
Okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah. My question is.
Yes.
We just, I mean, if my demo vessel having a cell and bottom dish this ellipsoidal, but in our PTB4 itself, we have many things, right? And flanges and flat head, tube sheet, nozzle and dish head, everything is there. So we just pick all the sample calculation as well as we done one sample calculation in PVLAT also, right? We have to just compare both. It's also sufficient, right? No, but because in our demo cell, very limited only applicable. But we have to prove more than it is suitable to get EC approval, right?
Not required actually. I mean, whether AI is asking, I mean, the auditor is asking for all of that, or you think it is required?
No, myself only think.
No, it is not required.
Okay.
You can present any vessel or heat exchanger with medium complexity and you show it. That's it. It is not required that you will present all the kinds of complexities. One with FMA, one with flange, one with ellipsoidal, or one with maybe something else. Whatnot. There will be different varieties. All that is not required. I mean, I myself faced an audit, so with that experience, I am saying. It was not my
Yes, Ramakrishna, it is correct. I also showing that AI only PV light output and manual calculation we have to produce one dish and shell by any one nozzle with RF pad, without RF pad. That's it.
And one more suggestion, maybe to avoid the surprises, because auditors will be up with different kind of viewpoints. Maybe beforehand, if you know who is the person, maybe you can talk to him personally. So this is what we are going to do. Like that, maybe you can have. Is Lloyd's or from?
No, HSB, hot steam boiler. Hot steam. Yeah.
Hot steam. Okay. Yeah.
Vignesh, means as per their any other opinion want to share? Anybody? Okay. So I think this is the fine. Normally, one part, like if there are in vessel, there are maybe 10, 12 nozzles are there. So you have to produce only one nozzle calculation to manually, and remaining will be in PV light on that one. And similarly, other parts also. If there are more than one, so you can produce only one and attach to that one. This is your manual done, and this is for your software output. And both the comparison you have to verify whether it will be matching and same to be produced to this inspector.
Okay, fine. Okay. Because my question is in our from our last audit and unto the current, now still date, we performed the PV heat exchanger also, right? Mm-hmm. So in the time he may ask PV light calculation, heat exchanger some parts, so that I can prefer the tube sheet. Mm-hmm. For example, we give.
No, I think Vignesh, as I'm telling, I think it is not necessary that you will present all types of things.
Parts of.
No, I don't think it is not necessary. This is just to demonstrate your ability to, design any medium complexity equipment. Maybe it is. I think because in my previous company also, so they have done detections also, pressure vessels also. Yeah. So when the audit came, we didn't show all those things, but
yes.
But definitely he will have a look at those calculations, okay, and he will find out whether you are complying with your quality procedure. You have quality procedure, right? You need to comply. That he will check the documentation. If it is not in line with, he will put an NCR. Just make sure. So he will definitely look at some samples.
Yeah.
But this manual calculation is not necessary for each and every. Okay.
Okay. Fine. I noted. Thanks.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Your query is solved, no? Your issues.
Yes.
Okay. Sheikh Zafar, can you introduce yourself? You are coming first time?
Yes, this is my first session. So my name is Jafar Sheikh, and I'm having 1 year of experience in static equipment design. Mm-hmm. And I'm currently involved in projects related to chemicals and agrochemicals projects, which is based in India only.
Okay. So total you have 1 year experience in study, right?
Yes, yes.
You have any particular issue want to discuss?
No, no, I do not have right now.
Okay. Vignesh, do you have any more? With
Yeah, one more thing I want to ask.
yeah.
Regarding the I mean RT1, RT2, what?
Yeah, continue. Okay, you want to attend call or you want to ask?
No, we continue. Just break the voice now.
Okay.
Okay, for RT1, RT2, RT3, RT4, no?
Mm-hmm.
So in this area, I have some clarification because my shell, my shell is seamless, okay, seamless pipe.
Mm-hmm.
Under the pipe cap, both end we have a standard pipe,
Mm-hmm.
pipe cap.
Mm-hmm.
In the shell itself, one surseam will come. Because we have the internals, we need to fix it and then we do the surseam. Okay.
Okay.
So for RT3, our nameplate marking is RT3. Okay.
Okay.
So because it's the existing job,
Mm-hmm.
I mean just replacement to our client. So in this RT3 means that for cell, long seam as well as surseam. So we have to select the joint efficiency.
Mm-hmm.
For 0.85, right? 0.85. As well as surseam, long seam and surseam, yeah, spot. 0.85. If it is correct?
No, actually, you see UW, it is your seamless, right?
Yeah.
So you can take for the surseam joint efficiency 1 as per UW 5A. 5A, I don't know, just check it.
Okay.
As per
You
the
have told, I think.
joint efficiency 1.
Mm-hmm.
No, what is your issue? You have seamless pipe in that one. Both side is end connect. It's closed one.
Yeah, both side end cap. Also, we have a surseam in the pipe, cell pipe also.
And you want to verify which weld.
No, wait. You mean you have surseam in pipe also?
Yeah, correct.
Acha, you have both cases, huh?
Yes.
So
Then you need to consider 0.8.
My question, yeah. Shall I ask again?
yeah, you can. Yeah, please.
Yeah. But we have one cell which two belt, okay.
Mm-hmm.
But it's a seamless pipe
Okay. Mm-hmm.
because one surseam will come for internal assembly purpose. But both cell, end connection is a pipe cap, standard pipe cap is a seamless.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So for the cell, long seam 0.85.
Okay.
Even though it's a seamless, as well as CS 0.85 because one CS is coming now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I got it. Let me reply to you. Yeah, you can do that. If you want to mention RT3, you can do that.
Okay.
Also, alternately, you can take the joint efficiency of surseam also 1 also, no problem. That is as per UW 5. I think I'm not recollecting the number, but yeah, there is a clause.
But
As per the
yeah, but he is asking whether it can be taken 0.85 or 1, right? Vignesh?
Yeah, correct.
So 1 if he takes, then it will be cost more, no? Whether if, yeah.
No. It will be
One is better.
1 is better, but the cost for inspection will be more. You have to this radiography you have to do complete on that.
No. Radiography is not required.
Efficiency, if you take 1, then that to be radiography is 100%, no?
No. That's
Yeah,
what
Anshul, you want to ask something?
Yeah.
Yes, the circumferential joint is type 1, 2 or 3?
Yeah, it should be type number 1.
Yeah, Abhishek.
Yeah, type 1. Yeah, type 1.
It is type 1. Okay, then you can take both 1 and 0.85. If it is type 3 to 4, 5, 6, 7, then you have to take 0.85, even if you do RT. There is a clause of UW12T.
So you are saying 0.85 also is okay and 1 also okay, right?
Yes, the UW12D is a clause regarding the seamless pipe having intersection joint, like category A or B joint, long seam or subseam joint. If it is type 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then you have to take the joint efficiency as 0.85. Otherwise, you can take the joint efficiency as 1 also without RT.
Okay. So without IT also, one means it's a choice of which one he can select, anyone.
Yes, because it's seamless none. So seamless have one joint efficiency.
Okay. So one, then the thickness will come less if you consider one, then better it will.
Yeah.
Okay, Abhishek, you want to ask something? You raised hand, Abhishek. You are on the mute. Yeah.
Yeah, I have to. Good evening, everyone.
Yeah, good evening.
For this joint efficiencies, I have here my understanding on type, means the difference between RT1 to RT4. I have taken the reference UW3 and UW12. It is mentioned as RT1. So RT1 means efficiency with 1 and all perfect joints the graph. If it is RT2, then joint efficiency will be same. However, all longitudinal is with only the graph, but circumferential joints should be proper graph. So this is the main difference between RT1 and RT2. The joint efficiency will be same, but for circumferential joints you have to do spot radiography. And when it is RT3, then that time the joint efficiency will be 0.85 and all the butt-weld joints will be spot radiograph. And when it is RT4, then joint efficiency is 0.7 and no RT is required. So this is my understanding on the types of RT. Your equipment falls under RT2.
1 minute. Let me share my screen. See this UW5B, category B and C wells, and except those are which are intersect with category A, but wells in the shell or head or vessel connecting the seam vessel shell as a minimum meet the requirement of UW52. Means so for this, if it is intersecting with the your long seam, I mean actually there is no seam. In your case it is seamless. So based on this, you can do only spot radiography, but still you can take joint efficiency as 1. So this is what it is saying. This is you can read the code.
So UW11 5B.
5B, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. UW11.
Yeah, so just read it, you will understand. But still, you can take joint efficiency 0.585 also, no problem. Yeah.
No problem. Okay. Okay. Right.
Okay, Vignesh, you got your answer?
Yes, I got it.
Okay.
Because somebody asked something to me, because it's a seamless means, why you take 0.85? Directly you will take LS long seam as 1. Why not? Why you should take 0.85?
No, if you take 1, that will be better. Your thickness and that one will be reduced. Means cost of that equipment will reduce and that one. So if you take
but
point,
it can meet RT3.
No, this is actually the issue will come. What type of RT number you will put in the nameplate.
Yes.
Depending on the joint efficiency you take, that will change. I think, if you are taking joint efficiency 1 something, I think you need to put RT4. RT4 says if none of the radiography, what you do does not meet any of the above, then you can RT4.
Correct. It's a mixed combination of RT2, RT3 or whatever.
Yeah.
It maybe goes to RT4.
You can put RT4.
okay. Vignesh, Atul Sharma, you want to add something?
Yes, sir. In our past experience, our condition was same, sport only.
Yes.
So for head's circumference, you have taken joint efficiency 1.
No. For long seam, we consider full, but there is no long seam. And for CS, we did sport only. If RT3 is applicable.
Yeah. That's what. If you take RT3, you have to take all joint efficiencies 0.85. If you want to take 1, then you have to put RT4 or something, whichever is. Yeah.
Because it's correct, right? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Clear, Vignesh?
Yes.
Any more you have issues?
Yeah. And sorry for asking another one doubt. If the shell is in plate rolled means,
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay.
RT3 condition. And I mean, we have to do the spot radiography, okay, for each joint. So, short seam as well as long seam. I mean, for discard, no long seam, only CS, okay. Even though plate formed, it's not a long seam is not there, only short seam, okay.
Okay.
With the cell. So, even the cell itself having long seam and short seam. So long seam we have selection one per spot, as well as short seam we selected one spot. Joint efficiency all are given 0.85 is okay. Or else if selected the one spot, then the seam will be taken the joint efficiency 1.
No, I think you should go with 0.85 only. Nowadays.
For all long seam, short seam, everything we have to do.
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Fine, sir. Fine. Thanks.
Okay.
Okay,
Clear?
sir. Thank you.
Any more?
No, sir. It's enough.
Okay. Neeraj Pandya, you are coming first time?
No, I was there in last session.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Abhishek, you want to ask? Okay, Abhishek, continue.
Yeah, I have a question on the heat exchanger design. May I know?
Your voice is breaking. Can you make in the range? Your voice is breaking.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, no, it's better.
Yeah, my question is about the tube sheet thickness calculation. So, do you have to perform ASME-UHX and TEMA both in the PV light calculation, or any of the two will suffice the requirement?
Anybody want to answer?
UHX and
Yeah, I say UHX is the best option, and I don't prefer TEMA because it is not based on scientific research.
Abhishek, you means your issue is you want to whether TEMA to be followed or UHX to be followed, or you want to verify whether with both, like that, your question, right?
Yeah, my question is, you have correctly mentioned. My question is that whether we have to perform this tube sheet thickness calculation as per ASME as well as per TEMA, both or any of the two.
Any of
okay.
the one is better.
No. I say ASM is mandatory. Because you're saying you're doing as per a particular code means you have to comply that. The TEMA is optional, and I personally do not feel it is a good practice. But if it is in the specification, then you need to do it. I mean, it is an agreement between you and your client.
Right. Okay, good. I got this, that TEMA is optional. So that means if it is mentioned in the specification client spec, then only we have to perform the TEMA. Otherwise, we can argue with the client that since it is not mandatory, so it's not necessary we have to perform the design as per TEMA.
Yeah, because TEMA calculation, I don't find, it's not a proper logical calculation.
No. I think my suggestion is whenever we perform the PV light with calculation, heat exchange calculation, either we can do ASME or else TEMA. We can't do select both. We can't do the both ASME and the TEMA. We can't.
No, that is okay, Vignesh. His question is whether I should do the both. Maybe he will do one run for TEMA, one run for UHX.
Why we put in drawing both ASME and TEMA? Because we have to perform the calculation as per ASME, ASME.
Yes.
But TEMA means sometimes the spacing as well as thyroid selection and that.
No. That TEMA, that is only no. He is asking about tube sheet design calculation.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay.
So that one.
So Abhishek, any one you have to
My
perform.
question is about only tube sheet thickness calculation.
Okay.
Yes, correct.
So verify the client specification. If client specification which one says, perform that one, and specifically basically you have to perform UHX is better.
ASME.
Yeah, ASME.
Okay. Thanks for your input.
I want to have one. I mean, that is my opinion. I feel TEMA calculation is not correct at all. So anybody can comment. I don't see it is a logical calculation. I mean, they
No, no,
made
most of the clients will ask both the cases. One is ASME, another one is TEMA.
no, but my opinion is it is. I mean, it is not logical in
Yes,
the
yes, sir. I also, so far we performed only with ASME,
yes,
not
sir.
TEMA.
Yes.
Uh,
Yes.
any other opinion you want? Anybody on this one? Yeah, Anshul, you want to say something?
Yeah, I was saying in the past, TEMA was used to be mandatory and UHX was a non-mandatory requirement, but due to the extensive research of ASME Council, they have made the code in such a way that it is more precise and scientifically accurate as compared to TEMA now.
Yeah, now it is, but before TEMA is leading, and now UHX is
Yes,
leading.
yeah, yeah. Now UHX was actually in the non-mandatory appendix
Yeah,
prior to a couple of years back.
Till 19 gold.
but TEMA
Not
and that
couple
one
of years.
previously.
It was, as far as I know, it is since 2000s. Yeah, like somebody mentioned, maybe it is in pre 1999. Maybe that time, maybe it was. Actually, it was adopted from European codes. So
Yes.
this was developed European. They adopted it from European codes. I think from PD 5500. From there, they have adopted it.
And in TEMA, we can see the directly selection things and that one. That is a bit
Yeah,
easy.
TEMA calculation is easy.
Yeah, easy we can see. So might be
Easy,
that one.
but we don't know whether it calculates whether it is under thick. I mean, whether sometimes it may calculate under thickness,
Yeah.
or
Yeah.
we don't know. I mean,
Okay,
But
now.
Abhishek,
Yeah.
the tube sheet thickness should not always be greater than the minimum thickness that TEMA has provided.
no, I don't. I mean, I don't. I have not done that, Anshul. So
Actually, sir, that thickness is only 19 or 20 mm. So generally, nobody has lower thickness than that.
okay. Yeah. Anyway,
Yeah.
it means if you do as per UHX, that much is guaranteed. No? So
Yeah, that's why. I mean, just for saying purpose.
yeah, I mean, I consider it as it is a waste of time. not to undermine a team.
Okay, Atul, I think Atul, you do many heat exchangers. Which one you maximum you use?
So always ASME.
Yes.
Because TEMA gives less signal.
Okay. So many, I mean, almost everybody now is going with UHX. Okay, Abhishek, you got?
We are following ASME. We can't go for another standard also. It will always ASME also.
Yeah. Okay, Abhishek, you got your.
Yes, thank you all for your contributions. I have got my answer. Thank you.
Okay. Any more you want?
Yeah. I have a question.
Yeah.
So, sir, my vessel is underground vessel,
Mm-hmm.
and there is no design placer, only static head,
Mm-hmm.
and it is located underground, approx 2 meters below
Okay.
from the base, ground.
Mm-hmm.
And now I have to consider external pressure.
Okay.
And it is full of soil. So how to consider external pressure?
Anybody?
Yeah, see, there's a basically. I mean, somebody mentioned in the you're the same who posted that.
In the group.
I same posted.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So I mean, as I told, basically you need to calculate how much is the weight of the sand coming on the upper half of the vessel. So that you need to take the surface area and you need to divide it. So that is a simple concept. So there are
divided by surface area.
yes.
Okay.
I mean, not the projected area, but whatever the actual surface area coming. So that is a simple concept. Now there is a method given in this one, Dennis Moss. You can check that. So, but that is over conservative. So there is another accurate method given in EEMUA 190, which they will use it for bullets. So you can refer.
So in Dennis Moss, where it is mentioned? I will read it up.
Somewhere I don't remember, but maybe I will post after some time.
Okay.
But better, I think, in Dennis Moss rather than this bullet,
EMUA 190 is better.
that is better, I think. Atul Sharma, if you refer, that one is better.
Posted in the group. You can refer that.
Yeah, I will receive.
Yeah.
Sure, thank you.
Yeah.
Any other opinion? Anybody? Okay. So I think Atul, we also posted regarding same in our blog also on our website, the external pressure application on the means underground tanks and that one. You can refer that also. We have given the formulas and that one there. Okay.
What is the service? It is CBD closed blow down drum. Atul?
No, it is only full of water. There is nothing else.
No, why
they are putting in the then pit?
Yeah, then pit.
Why? I mean, it's strange. Generally, it is done for closed blow down drums or amine blow down drums like that.
If high pressure on that one and it should not be exposed outside, that's why they will use to put. But in your case, if you are telling that it's water, so why
water? That is strange to me.
Yeah, because all feed is not completed yet. But only one setup is completed.
What is the name of the tank? Just water tank.
Sir, I did not remember. I will post it tomorrow.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, Atul. Any more issue you want?
No.
I think you anything anymore?
Yeah, I mean, I want to open a topic, I mean, cyclic vessels, somebody can explain their, I mean, how cyclic vessels, how they have done step-by-step procedure. Somebody can, I prefer say if somebody have done the hands-on FEA for a cyclic vessel.
Anybody want to answer? Anybody prepared for this topic?
Yeah, maybe next week somebody can.
Yeah, because ANSYS who done, no, they can, we used to give outside that ANSYS in that one.
Yes.
Okay, any more?
Nothing, yeah.
Okay, Prakash, you have anything? Anshul, you were?
No, nothing. No, nothing. Actually, one thing I wanted to ask, have any of you ever read non-mandatory Appendix-A of Section 2 Part D?
Appendix-A for FR values?
Non-mandatory Appendix-A. Metallurgical.
Yeah, I think this is about Tubesheet joints, I think.
Yeah,
deleted. Current edition.
Yeah, it is deleted.
Not Section 8, Section 2 Part D.
Part D, yeah.
It's Section 8, right?
Section 2.
Section, okay.
Yeah, so what about the Anshul? Anything?
Section 2 Part D, I think it's one of the most well-written non-mandatory appendix of the ASME regarding the material and metallurgical effects of the material.
Okay. Can you highlight?
I mean, some of the topic there mentioned is our stress, SCC is mentioned, stress corrosion cracking, galvanic corrosion is mentioned, spheroidization is mentioned, temper embrittement is mentioned, why austenitic stainless steel should not be used for higher temperature in a little bit detail has been mentioned there.
Okay.
Any also they mentioned anything about which metal to be used for what? Like last time we discussed amine service or sour service.
No, actually they have written like in which material which defects can occur at which temperature or which properties, like strain aging happening in all the other material and comparatively differently in the stainless steel.
What is the section? Please repeat the section.
Section 2 Part D non-mandatory Appendix-A.
Okay.
Non-mandatory.
Okay, so they given maximum related to temperature and that one where to be, right?
Yes, austenitic stainless steel at higher temperature sensitized.
Okay.
Sensitization occurs and they fail due to IGC, intergranular corrosion. What happened is the carbon content, the chromium carbon content start precipitating near the edge of the boundary, and those certain region becomes weaker than the rest of the part.
at high elevated temperature.
Yeah,
That
that's
is why
why.
for
Yeah, that's why
that is why for
the.
stainless steel, IGC is mandatory. IGC testing is mandatory for stainless steel working at higher temperature.
Yeah, I mean, most of the times, almost all times, we specify IGC for the.
Yes, but they mentioned what happens for
Yes.
IGC to be applied.
Yeah, not knowing the reason, we generally do it.
Yes.
So, okay. So there are something special they mentioned in like there you are telling.
Also, they have provided the reference book they have taken examples from, and if you go through the reference book, it will take you more than months to
read
cover all
that.
the topic.
I think it's not mandatory, so no, we didn't go on with that depth with
Yes,
that one. So to see
but
that.
the topic I think you all should read.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, we'll see. And also, your sharing also is pending. That which material to be used for what.
Yeah.
You are coming first time to this meeting?
Myself?
Yeah, Amar. Amar, no?
Ahmad, okay.
Hello. Yes.
Yeah, Amar.
Yes. I am first time.
Can you introduce yourself, please?
My name is complete name Amar Bugle. I am
Total years of experience?
yes 3 years.
3 years. Okay, okay. Specific issues you want to discuss?
No, not right now.
Okay.
If
Okay, just Anshul is speaking about
Yes.
ASME section 2, part D. Did you read that, Amar? Did you read ASME section 2, part D, non-mandatory appendix?
yes.
Okay. Anything, any special observation you found?
Yeah. So the TEMA you mentioned, so I remember something. Anybody done double tube sheet design?
Amar, or you want to answer?
The double tube sheet in, I think 200 mm thick, I think something. Or it was altogether it was half a meter thick tube sheet design. Not now, but long back.
Yeah, I really don't know about this.
Sorry.
Yeah. Somehow
Yeah.
not about it.
So, some anybody came across such design double tube sheet?
Atul Sharma, you yeah, tell me.
Not yet.
What's that?
Double tube sheet. They are asking a double tube sheet. Did you done?
No. Double tube sheet. No, but once I consulted with my senior, he said you can choose double thickness. It will become double tube sheet thickness.
Yeah.
Okay, so means choosing double thickness, and you are attaching as a double tube there, right? Right, tube sheet.
Yeah, in detailing.
Okay, so Ramakrishna, I think just we have to choose the same single tube sheet in the design and just.
Yeah, I didn't see any. I mean, somebody can post if you find they can put some pictures.
Okay, Atul Sharma, I think if you have, you can share with him or in the group.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Okay, any other issues or anything want to discuss? Anybody's?
Maybe somebody can next week somebody can prepare one, maybe some kind of explanation for cyclic vessels.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I will.
Yeah.
Okay, then can we close now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay then. Good night.
Thank you all.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Good night.
Good night.